before the machine starts running. First, check the station with the cam. Add lubricating oil or other available oil. There is already an oil can in the toolbox. There are 3 stations in total with cams. Forming station. There is a cam under the forming station. Just add it like this. Sealing and cutting stations are the same. This is the cutting station. It also has a cam. Just add it directly. The machine runs for too long. The cam heats up due to friction. Therefore, during the operation of the machine, we need to add lubricating oil regularly. Prevent the cam from heating and causing failure.